You're using ChatPDF completely wrong, and it's costing you hours of research time every single day. I'm about to show you 8 game-changing features that will transform how you analyze documents forever. Here's the problem most people face with ChatPDF. You upload your document, ask a basic question, get a surface-level answer, and think that's it. You're missing the real power of this AI document analyzer. You're not using the advanced query techniques, you're ignoring the citation features, and you're definitely not leveraging the comparison tools that can save you massive amounts of time. Let me show you the right way to master ChatPDF document analysis. First, when you open ChatPDF, don't just drag and drop your PDF like everyone else. Instead, click the Upload Document button and look for the Document Settings panel that appears. This is where most people skip ahead, but here's what you need to do. Click on the Analysis Depth drop-down menu and select Comprehensive Analysis instead of the default Quick Scan option. This tells ChatPDF to create a more detailed understanding of your document structure. Next, before asking any questions, use the Document Overview feature. Click the Generate Overview button in the top toolbar. This creates what I call a knowledge map of your entire document. You'll see the Table of Contents panel populate with clickable sections, and the Key Topics sidebar will show the main themes ChatPDF has identified. This overview becomes your roadmap for targeted questioning. Now here's step 3 that changes everything. Instead of asking generic questions like, "What is this document about?" use the Smart Query templates. Click on the templates icon next to the chat box, and you'll see pre-built question formats like compare arguments between pages X and Y or summarize methodology in section Z. These templates are designed to extract maximum value from ChatPDF's analysis engine. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, and trust me, you don't want to miss our upcoming AI productivity series. Here's where it gets really powerful. Step 4 is using the citation verification feature that most people completely ignore. When ChatPDF gives you an answer, look for the small numbers in brackets next to key statements. Click on these citation markers, and ChatPDF will highlight the exact text in your PDF where it found that information. But here's the pro move: click the Verify Citations button at the bottom of each response. This opens the source panel showing you page numbers, direct quotes, and confidence scores for each claim. Step 5 is the game changer for researchers and students. Use the cross-reference analysis tool. Upload multiple related PDFs to your ChatPDF workspace, then click the Compare Documents button in the main toolbar. You can now ask questions like, how do the conclusions in document A differ from document B, or find contradicting statements across these 3 research papers. The comparison dashboard will show you side-by-side analysis with direct quotes from each source. Moving to step 6, let's talk about the advanced search functions most users never discover. Instead of scrolling through ChatPDF's basic responses, click on the Search Tools drop-down in the chat interface. Select Semantic Search for concept-based queries, or choose Exact Match for finding specific phrases or data points. The Search Results panel will show you every instance across your document with context previews. Step 7 transforms how you extract actionable insights. Use the Summary Generation wizard by clicking the Create Summary button in the left sidebar. But don't just generate a basic summary. Click on Summary Type and choose from Executive Summary for business documents, Academic Abstract for research papers, or Action Items for meeting notes and reports. The generated summary will appear in a separate panel with exportable formatting options. Here's Step 8, the feature that separates beginners from power users. Master the Query Refinement System. After getting an initial response from ChatPDF, look for the Refine Query button below the answer. Click it to open the Query Enhancement panel. You can specify include more examples, focus on statistical data, or prioritize recent information. Each refinement creates more targeted, valuable responses from your document analysis. Now let me share 3 pro tips that will make you a ChatPDF expert. Pro tip 1: use the batch processing feature for multiple documents. Click the Batch Upload button and select up to 10 related PDFs. ChatPDF will analyze them simultaneously and create a unified knowledge base you can query across all documents at once. This is perfect for literature reviews or competitive analysis projects. Pro Tip 2 involves the custom prompt library. Click on the Settings gear icon and select Prompt Management. Here you can save your most effective question formats as reusable templates. Create custom prompts like extract all financial data and format as a table or identify potential biases in the methodology section. Your custom prompts will appear in the templates dropdown for future use. Pro Tip 3 is using ChatPDF's export function strategically. After completing your document analysis, click the Export Results button in the top menu. You can export your entire conversation as a formatted report, create annotated PDF versions with your questions and answers embedded, or generate citation lists in APA, MLA, or Chicago formats. The Export Options panel gives you complete control over how you preserve and share your research insights. The difference between users who struggle with document analysis and those who excel comes down to understanding these advanced ChatPDF features. You're not just asking questions anymore, you're conducting sophisticated document intelligence operations that would have taken researchers weeks to complete manually. Remember, our mission is to help you navigate your tech journey with confidence, and mastering tools like ChatPDF puts you ahead of the curve in our AI-powered world. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that transform how you work with technology, and I'll see you in the next video where we're diving deep into advanced PDF annotation techniques you never knew existed.